Age spots, sometimes called liver spots or sunspots, are those pesky little marks that can appear on our skin over time. They're usually harmless, but they can be a source of frustration, especially when they show up in noticeable areas like your face, hands, and legs. You see, our skin is a reflection of how we all care for our bodies, both inside and out. While age spots are a natural part of getting older, they're largely influenced by factors like sun exposure and how we treat our skin daily. In today's video, we'll explore the best natural remedies to lighten and remove age spots from your legs, hands, and face. Before we jump into remedies, it's important to understand what age spots are, why they appear, and how they differ from other skin concerns. Our skin naturally contains a pigment called melanin, which gives it color. Melanin production increases when our skin is exposed to the sun as a way to protect it from UV damage. Over time, and with repeated sun exposure, certain areas of the skin may produce more melanin than others. This excess melanin clusters together, forming what we commonly refer to as age spots or sunspots. In today's video, I'm going to share with you natural, safe, and easy to prepare remedies that you can use right at home. These solutions will not only help fade those age spots, but also nourish your skin, giving it a fresh, youthful appearance. Age spots are typically flat, brown, gray, or black in color, and they can vary in size. They most often appear on areas of the skin that receive the most sun exposure, like your face, hands, shoulders, and legs. While age spots are common in people over 50, they can actually appear in younger individuals, especially those who spend a lot of time in the sun without adequate protection. Though age spots are usually harmless, many people seek to lighten or remove them for cosmetic reasons. The good news is you don't need to resort to expensive treatments or harsh chemicals to achieve this. Nature offers a variety of gentle yet effective remedies that can help fade those spots over time. Now that you understand what age spots are and why they appear, let's explore some of the best natural remedies to help you achieve a clearer, more radiant skin. Number 1, lemon juice. Lemon juice is one of the most popular and effective natural remedies for lightening age spots, and for good reason. This simple citrus fruit is packed with vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in the skin health. Vitamin C is known for its ability to brighten skin and reduce hyperpigmentation. It works by inhibiting the enzyme tyrosinase, which is responsible for melanin production. By applying lemon juice directly to your age spots, you can help to gradually lighten those areas and even out your skin tone. Using lemon juice as a treatment is incredibly simple. Just take a cotton ball, dip it into the fresh juice, and apply it directly to the age spot. Be sure to cover the spots thoroughly. After applying, let the lemon juice sit on your skin for about 15 minutes. This allows the vitamin C and natural acids in the lemon to penetrate the skin and start breaking down the excess melanin. Once the time is up, rinse off the lemon juice with cool water and pat your skin dry. For the best results, repeat this process twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed. It's important to be consistent with this remedy. While you might start to see some improvement in a few weeks, continuing the treatment over time will help to ensure that your age spots fade significantly. A quick word of caution: lemon juice can make your skin more sensitive to sunlight, so it is crucial to apply sunscreen if you're going outside after using this remedy. The last thing we want is to accidentally make the spots darker due to increased sun exposure. Lemon juice is a natural, cost-effective solution that many people swear by. However, remember that it's best suited for lighter skin tones. If you have a darker complexion, lemon juice might not be the best option, as it can sometimes lead to further hyperpigmentation. In that case, consider trying one of the other remedies we'll be discussing later in this video. Number 2, aloe vera. Aloe vera is a well-known plant that has been used for centuries in skincare. Its reputation as a miracle plant isn't just a myth, it's backed by science. Aloe vera gel contains over 75 active compounds, including vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that work together to nourish and heal the skin. One of the most beneficial aspects of aloe vera is its ability to promote skin regeneration. It helps to accelerate the healing and damaged skin cells, making it an excellent remedy for lightening age spots. Additionally, aloe vera contains a compound called allosin, which inhibits the production of melanin, which is the pigment responsible for those dark spots. To use aloe vera for treating age spots, you'll want to start by extracting the gel directly from the leaf. It's best to use fresh aloe vera whenever possible, as it's more potent than store-bought gels. Once you have the gel, you're ready to apply it to your skin. Apply the gel directly to the age spot, ensuring that the area is thoroughly covered. Aloe vera is incredibly soothing, so you can leave it on your skin without worrying about irritation. In fact, the longer it stays on, the more beneficial it is. Leave the aloe vera gel on for at least 30 minutes, or if you prefer, you can even leave it on overnight. The gel will slowly absorb into your skin, delivering its healing properties deep into the layers where it's needed most. After the time has passed, rinse off the gel with cool water and pat your skin dry. For the best results, apply aloe vera twice a day, once in the morning and once before bedtime. With consistent use, you'll start to notice your skin becoming clearer, more hydrated, and those age spots fading away. Number 3, castor oil. Castor oil is often hailed as a miracle oil, and for good reason. Derived from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, castor oil is packed with nutrients that can deeply nourish the skin and promote healing. But what makes castor oil particularly effective for age spots? Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, which is a type of fatty acid that has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. This unique compound penetrates deep into the skin's layers, where it can help to lighten dark spots by reducing inflammation and promoting the turnover of skin cells. Additionally, castor oil is rich in vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that supports skin repair and rejuvenation. One of the reasons castor oil is so effective is its ability to penetrate deeply into the skin. Unlike lighter oils, castor oil has a thick consistency that allows it to stay on the skin longer, giving it more time to work its magic. Here's how you can use it to fade those age spots. Start by applying a small amount of castor oil directly on your skin. A little goes a long way, so just a few drops are all you need. Use your fingertips to gently massage the oil into the skin, focusing on the areas where the spots are most prominent. The massaging action helps to improve circulation, which can further aid in the fading of your spots. Massage the oil in for a few minutes, allowing it to fully absorb into the skin. You can leave the oil on overnight for maximum benefits, as castor oil is incredibly moisturizing and won't clog your pores. If you prefer, you can also cover the treated area with a bandage or cotton cloth to keep the oil in place while you sleep. In the morning, simply wash off any remaining oil with a mild cleanser. You'll notice that your skin feels softer and more hydrated, and with regular use, those age spots will gradually begin to fade. Remember, achieving and maintaining clear, radiant skin doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistency, patience, and a holistic approach to skincare. Incorporating those remedies into your daily routine is a great step, but there are a few additional tips that can help you maximize your results and keep your skin looking its best. First, always protect your skin from the sun. Whether you're using natural remedies or not, sun exposure is one of the leading causes of age spots. Make sure to apply sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every day, even on cloudy days. Next, stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps to keep your skin hydrated from the inside out, which is essential for maintaining its elasticity and preventing the appearance of new spots. Combine this with a diet rich in fruits and vegetables, which are packed with antioxidants that protect your skin from damage. Exfoliation is another key factor. Regularly exfoliating your skin helps to remove dead skin cells, which can make age spots more noticeable. You can use a gentle scrub made from natural ingredients like sugar or oatmeal once or twice a week to keep your skin smooth and radiant. And finally, be patient with yourself. Natural remedies take time to work, and everyone's skin is different. It may take several weeks to start seeing results, but with consistent use and a bit of self-care, you'll be well on your way to a more even skin tone and a healthier complexion. I hope you found those tips and remedies helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more natural beauty tips, and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss an update.